You know that person who earns less than you, yet always seems to have enough? And after a few years, you see them starting a new business, living comfortably on a salary that seems way too small? Do you think they're just lucky? Or maybe they have some magic spell? Neither. After this video, I guarantee you, 1,000,000%, that you'll be shocked at how much your salary is actually enough for. You will even save a significant portion of it, allowing you to turn those trapped business ideas in your head into a reality that generates extra income. The secret isn't the amount of money you make, it's how you manage it. People usually fall into two fatal mistakes here. The first, relying on just one bank account for everything. Your daily expenses mix with your savings and emergency funds, and you end up consuming everything you own without even realizing it. The second mistake is the exact opposite, opening too many bank accounts for every little goal. This creates a chaotic, complex mess that eventually makes you give up on financial organization altogether. The real solution lies in simplicity and balance. Just 3 accounts. That is all you need to build a complete financial system that leads you to wealth. Account number 1, the operational cash flow account. This is the first stop where your monthly paycheck lands. Its job is very specific, automatically paying bills and fixed expenses, then distributing the remaining money to your other 2 accounts on the exact same day you get paid. Keep this in mind. Only hold enough money here to cover your basic expenses for about a month and a half. Account number 2, the Smart Savings and Emergency Account. This is dedicated to money you'll need in the near future, for goals less than 2 years away, plus your emergency fund. Always choose an account that offers a high yield and divide it internally into categories, like car maintenance or travel. This way, sudden expenses turn into scheduled, prepaid events. Account number 3, and the most important one, the Asset Growth Account. This is where your true wealth is built. Money here goes in one direction only, long-term investments for more than 8 to 10 years. Focus on tax-advantaged accounts and broad index funds, and just leave the money to grow and multiply. To manage this entire system smoothly, follow the 65-15-20 rule. 65% for the operational account, 15% for smart savings, and 20% goes straight to investments. Set up automatic transfers the moment your paycheck arrives. Let the system run itself, requiring no more than 10 minutes a month for a quick review. Simplicity and consistency. Those are the real keys to financial success. Now tell us in the comments, honestly, how many bank accounts you currently have. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel.